Still looking at this wee Audi. Since we've changed the glow plug and fixed the door, we've now got these codes. And we only had a glow plug fault with number 4. I think the modules maybe failed, but you would think then it would give us a fault for all of them, and I don't seem to have power on any of them. So I'm not sure. It's maybe maybe the module, which is basically like a big relay. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Right, so that fuse there, which is a 5 ampere, is apparently for that main relay. Oh, I don't know what I did that. Oh, it's just the freeze frame data, so I'll go back out and check that again, but I'm sure it's okay. So I don't have any management light on at the minute, but I know if I keep cranking it and turning it back on, it will. So take this back off again. I wasn't expecting to do any of this again. So, saying at these 5 battery voltage there, battery voltage there, battery voltage there, voltage there. Check this 5, voltage there, voltage again on that one. Only thing with that was these. I had a wee look at that one up there, that 40, it looks quite crusty. There's power on it on both sides of the fuse. So. Let's see what this relay does. There you go, that's your main relay there. So that's working. Right, so, and there's our glow plugs flashing now because we pulled that on off. They're just coming on off too quick. It's still going out in a minute. So I reckon then these will just come back. Okie doke. We'll see what's going on. Right. So I was back in that fuse box just because I was in there, just in case I put one in the wrong place, but I didn't have any out other than that 30. So we'll see what's going on. Good man, I've stopped and started this thing about a million times and now I can't get the thing to come back on, so nope, no, it's there, but it's still bringing the management light on. Okie doke. Come back out here. Pause here a sec. I must have stopped and started this about 1,000 times now, man, and it's not about a light one, but yeah, there's a lot of codes in there. And one of them is for engine control module, power control module, which obviously I've pulled it out and the engine cut out, so it should be working, but I've seen all the rot and the wiring on the doors, so what to say, I believe the glow plug module might be underneath this part of the fuse box, so I need to take all that apart. I'm not going to do that right now, so I think what I'm going to do is just to have a nosy here and see. Actually, I need that off again. Put this back off again, backprobe this to see what's going on. Backprobe it. It's a really long probe, I think. Right, so this one we just need to come back to it. Still no management light for whatever reason, but so all the lights are coming on. It's due a service as well. All the lights are going off, but yet we've got all these codes. So U code is lost communication, right? P is your engine control mode, P068500, power relay, control circuit open, instrument cluster no communication, airbag no communication. So whatever's happened after we've done this was here after we did the door. Sure man, it's not sure yet. We're going to erase all these again. I'm going to save them out. No. Right, pause here. Right, so that's the one clear, but it wouldn't clear that earlier either, so management light off. Oh, we'll scan again. It's probably going to bring all these codes back. What's happening? No, didn't do that time. Now that fuse box cover in there wasn't on right when I went to it, and obviously I've been poking about at fuses, so I wonder if there's bad connections in there. Saying that, there we go, got one for power steering, passenger door, we knew about diag. So just turned the radio on and off there as well. Left rear door, passenger door, supply for front passenger side lower limit, left door electronics. So I've no idea what's going on here with this car, man. It's giving me no end of grief. Fault scan again. Engine still clean. So diag. So it seems to do that when it goes into the radio. Diag. Right, so it doesn't seem to be coming back at the minute. Right, so we'll leave it at that, I think, and just those codes that were there saying lost communication with the engine control module relay and the what do you call it, the instrument cluster and that don't seem to be coming back again. We must have had a bad connection in that fuse box, so I'm not sure. But about the glow plug, I don't think they're working. I really don't. I'd need to see the car for cold, for stone cold, to see exactly what it's doing. And then we'd probably need to rip all that fuse box out and change the glow plug module. So, but we should, normally what would happen is if you've got a bad glow plug module, then you'd like to think you'd have a fault on all of them. But it does have pins for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 glow plugs, and then there's a couple other pins there as well in the modules for the glow plugs, but it's not coming back with that at the minute, so we need to just put the car out now. So there you go, one Audi bus all done. Window, hopefully the window's still working. I will put the right bolt back in the door. There's another one in there. Oh, was they working there? Is that what's going on? Right, so that's all good in the hood. Right, all good in the hood there.